My clips keep on getting deleted and the makeup is fire. Clips keep on getting deleted and the makeup is fire and it's pissing me off. Anyways, e.l.f. on the face as per usual. Second concealer though right now, and I did the putty bronzer. I'm blending everything but the center part of the concealer. Hopefully this saves though. I want a little bit more highlight on the, ooh. Do I want to carve out my chin? Yeah, just a little bit. Whatever's left on the brush. Carve out the cheeks. Slimming, please. And then brows. We're gonna do a soft brow. I feel like I didn't know that I was just using brow products wrong. I wasn't letting them sit enough, and that's why they weren't working. But I also feel like brow pencils, like old school brow pencils, like the one that I'm using, like actual pencil, blend so much better with my brow hairs. And I like using like a light color, even though when it is not sharpened, it will scratch you up. But I love it. I feel like nothing gets my brows as decent as with a brow pencil. It just does the best work. Okay. We're gonna blend this and set. But we're gonna set a little bit brighter today. No, actually, maybe I should. We'll see. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. first. e.l.f. This HD Perfect Finish powder, and then that's the first set. This is such a great technique, not mine, but for more coverage under the eye. And then just my shiny forehead and other highlighted places. And then, oh girl, Miss Maybelline. If this clip doesn't save, I'll be so mad because it's the aesthetics of the makeup are just shining through right now. Okay. Yeah. And then this butter bronzer, I don't know how it smells good. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it's like, I don't know if I think it's oily or it's not matte enough for me. But maybe like that's part of the like why it blends so well. Ooh, it's a bit red though. I don't think I noticed that before. But we're bronze. We're bronze babes. So. I don't know if I noticed that before. The redness of it. Oh, and then let me cut my chin again with the powder. To save it all is this face powder, just to blend everything together. This is Sephora Micro Smooth. Yeah, that's a good base. That is a good base. And then put lashes on. The hack that I just said worked did not work with that last clip, and I'm so sick. Maybe it's only shorter clips, I don't know. But yeah, I put on my lashes. I curled them first and then put them on. And I'm doing a lippy because I never do one for you guys. And I'm just probably gonna use the blush. I feel like, oh, and if my lashes are not blended, they're gonna be blended by the time I get there, because I will douse them in what's it called, mascara, so they will be blended. I need something to blend this. We're going to use maybe this lip gloss. But now I feel like I need a darker. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find that right now. Oh my gosh, let me show you guys my profile. Are these not cute with the theme of like what's it called? Oh, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. I always forget to put on my what's it called, my nose ring, and then I don't feel as hot without it on. Not gonna lie, I feel like a baddie with my nose ring. Without my nose ring, not so much. Chase. Oh my gosh. Brush to wipe away the brow coverage. See how it's highlighted, but it's not like too much. It's just like enough. And then you douse yourself in spray and pray. Oh gosh. And pray that your lashes stay on. I'm gonna have to fix this later because it doesn't incorporate. your other? Wow, this doesn't work. I'm gonna have to charge this because it goes with the fit. But yeah, this is the makeup look. I'll see if I get any pictures or anything like that. Okay, I just wanted to make sure I have mascara. Let me finish putting my